Hey, what's good, YouTube? We are out here in Woodland today. Definitely don't be around Woodland, but you know, I was today, so I'm gonna be on the bike. Anyways, though, let's get some wheelies on the hard rock, man. Not sure how this will go because I just realized that I forgot my bike mount. So I'm not sure if this is gonna be one hands only or what, but we gonna see, man. Wheelies. All right, man, we figured out the whole bike mount situation. Basically just wrapped a bunch of stuff around my normal mount. This just like the little buckles into my helmet, and I'm just biting onto that. So we'll see how good the video really is, but let's cut up, get some swerves, probably do a little bike check at the end just to show you what I'm working with and how you can do this shit for cheap. So since it's already getting dark so early, probably gonna have some bad lighting for this, but I just thought I'd do a little bike check, man. I don't know if I've done one in a long time. No, you probably don't know what I'm rocking with here. So the other day when the kid rolled up on me saying, is that an SE bike? It got me thinking. And he was saying how he's trying to save up for an SE bike, blah, blah. No hate on that. Definitely, you know, keep saving your money, do what you want. But I just wanted to give a little insight on how you can do this shit for way cheaper than an SE bike. Everyone think they need an SE bike to buy into this. It's not true, man. You can get bike life any budget, man, for real. So I'm gonna start off by saying this is a $60 Facebook Marketplace bike, man. A 1990s Specialized hard rock, man. And yeah, you can see some little rusty areas that I had to put rust converter on, get that rust to stop. But yeah, this is what I ride, man. A $60 Amazon.
Oh, what are you talking about, man?
Amazon, a $60 Facebook Marketplace bike. All I done is put this little Amazon wake stem on there, because the other one was like this long, not comfortable for wheelies. So I threw that on there. I don't know how much that was. I'll put the price up there. Threw on some nice little lock-on grips, price there. And threw these Surly, I think it's Surly. Yeah, these Surly little riser bars on there, make it a little more comfortable instead of, they were like to there. They were some skinny, flat silver bars that came stock. SE seat says raise it up on the back, man. So here we've got new brake lever, new line, and new brakes, but I was running the stock pads. Just swapped those out, and then that's actually the stock shifter. And yes, the stock derailleur, man. Y'all need no fancy that shit works so good. Shifts every time. I've never had a problem with it, for real. Some new pedals. And yeah, that's it, man. Mainly all I've done is aesthetic and some slight comfort things. Oh, and of course, the Max's hookworms, man. Don't let me forget the hookworms. That is a pretty important part, but not really. Not until you're actually cutting up hard. Because let me tell you, if you go back in my videos, I was running the 20-year-old, almost 30-year-old tires, 20 or 30-year-old brake pads. As soon as I jumped on this thing when I bought it, I popped wheelies, man. If it has rear brakes, it will wheelie. But yeah, so that's my little bike check, man. Just yeah, just the few things I've done to my bike and how you can really get yourself wheeling for $60. I wheelied this bike as soon as I got on it. $60 Facebook Marketplace. Find you a solid frame, maybe swap out the brakes, and you're good. The rest is comfort. The grips, I didn't need to swap. The bars, I didn't need to swap. Seat, I did not need to swap. It's all just aesthetic and comfort things, man. So yeah, that's my little bike check. How you can get ripping for 60 bucks, man. I think it's pretty decent. Look at the paint job on this thing. You probably can't see because the lighting's bad. They got nice paint and everything still. Man, get yourself on Facebook Marketplace. Go look at your granddad's garage, something like that. I'm sure you will find a bike you can wheelie. All right, man, now let's cut up. Enough waffling. Oh, hurry up! Dude trying to do some wheelies. There we go. As soon as this car passes, I'm gonna try to get a little death spin right there, some circles, something. We'll see what we can get. I wasn't sure how cold it was, but I know I can see my breath and my brake finger is going numb. Good old Washington winter problems. These gloves are like fleece lined and shit too, man. My hands are still getting that cold. You have a good one, man. Sirens wailing. Let's get some more swerves, man. Want to see the S13? Come on with the cage and all. Yeah. That bit's nice. That's cool. It's like 40 with a real feel of like 36. I'm out of breath. My ears are frozen solid. My nose is frozen solid. I see some beams. Let's shoot in between them. I barely got between them garbage cans, man. That was getting tight. Whew, I didn't know if I was gonna be able to do that. Damn, I wish y'all could see that sunset. I'm gonna insert a phone clip because I know you can't see that. I can probably just... You still can't see that. Anyways, insert that. That's what this guy looked like. The GoPro ain't picking it up how I should. Think I need to go this way. I really don't know. I'm being woodland much, and now I've just been riding for a while without paying attention to where to go. I think I'm headed back this way, guys. Let's cut up, because I never do that at all. Good, man. Rolling? Yeah. Yeah, I do it on motorcycles too, man. Check out my YouTube. Okay. Have a good one, man.
Bye.
Thank you, man.
Fucking awesome, dude.
Thanks. Lots of work on it. I do the same thing on my motorcycles.
Do you really?
Oh yeah. Posting every single Wednesday. Either doing it on my motorcycles or doing it on this.
I'm into unique shit. You're unique, man.
Oh yeah, thank you.
God bless you. I'm grateful.
All right, man, this is where I'm gonna end the video off. I'm beyond tired. I'm sure you hear me huffing and puffing. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, man. Whew, my legs are jello. Drop a comment. I can't think, man. Drop a like, drop a comment, and definitely hit that subscribe button, man. God.
Every day I spend my time drinking wine, feeling fine.